front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this OPPO. First of all, just go into settings. Now scroll down and click on notifications and status bar. Following that, you need to just manage notifications and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from. Like for example calendar. As you can see, all notifications from calendar are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!